street interviews, vlogging, live streaming, on-camera audio. To do it all, your audio kit often ends up looking like this, an expensive, complicated mess. But what if you could replace all of that with just this? Hey, Sab here from the Tech Packer. Today we're looking at a new wireless microphone system that is making some huge promises. This is the Boya Magic, and it claims to be an entire audio toolkit in one tiny package. So today, we're going to put those claims to the test, listen to how it sounds, and find out if this is the new Swiss Army knife for creators on the go. First, let's talk about that all-in-one claim. This system is built around these incredibly small transmitters, and they adapt to 4 core uses. 1, it's a brilliant little wireless lavalier mic. You just clip it on and you're good to go. 2, you can use it as a compact handheld interview mic. 3, the receiver can be plugged into your computer to act as a high quality desktop mic for calls or streaming. And 4, you can mount it directly on your camera. It's a genuinely versatile system, but the real magic is what's happening on the inside. This system has some of the most impressive AI noise cancellation tech I've seen. Boya says its new algorithm can reduce noise by up to 40 decibels whilst still preserving your voice. So let's quickly put that to the test right now. All right, it's pretty yucky out here. I've got a northerly wind blowing. I've got the wind muff on here. This is without noise reduction. Okay, so let's try and switch noise reduction on and see what difference that makes. Okay, this is with noise reduction on now. You can compare it to how it sounded before. This is with a little northerly breeze blowing here. I'm in Wellington in New Zealand. How does this sound? What did you think? Impressive for filtering out a noisy environment? That powerful noise cancellation is backed up by broadcast grade audio specs. 48 kilohertz 24-bit sampling, which means it captures rich, detailed audio that's beyond CD quality. CD quality. Remember those? And for pros, there are 2 crucial safety features. First, it has an intelligent limiter and automatic gain control, which work together to prevent your audio from distorting if you suddenly get loud, and boosts it if you're speaking quietly. Second, and this is huge, it records a safety track at -12 decibels. This is your audio insurance policy. A backup recording at a lower volume, guaranteeing you'll always have usable audio, even if something goes wrong with the main track. Now, let's talk about the user experience because it's incredibly smart. The transmitter is tiny, just 9 grams and super slim. You'll barely notice it's there. But my favorite part is the patented charging case. It doesn't just charge the units, it's the control hub as well. The mics are paired and ready to go the second you take them out. There is no complex setup to worry about here. And for those who want to dive deeper, the Boya Central app gives you pro-level control right on your phone, letting you fine-tune the noise cancellation, gain, and other advanced settings. Okay, just using the Apple iPhone camera app here, we'll just tap on the mic here to make sure that we're getting the right feed for the mic. This is connected by Bluetooth, just the Boya Magic mic transmitter. How does this sound? Okay, we've got the transmitter paired now. We've got the handheld mic here. How does this sound? This is probably going to be the same. Let's just hold it a little bit further away as if it was a mic on a stand. Okay, just down here. And how does that sound? Let's just get it into sight here. That's probably something like how you're going to use it. How does that sound? And now how does this sound when it's a little bit closer? Okay, we've got this recording now on a Sony ZV-1 using the transmitter on the camera and then hooked onto this Bluetooth transmitter here on the Boya Magic. How does this sound with the Bluetooth connection on the Sony ZV-1? So who is this actually for? This is for the solo creator, the mobile journalist, the vlogger, or the small business owner who needs maximum audio flexibility without buying 4 different microphones. The ability to switch from a lav mic to an interview mic to a desktop setup with one system is a massive advantage. It's a powerful, compact, and incredibly smart system that genuinely delivers on its all-in-one promise. So what's your biggest audio frustration when you're creating? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, get subscribed for more practical creator solutions, and I'll see you in the next video up here.